Hey guys, last year I did, well, you saw some fireworks on this channel. It was, of course, the 4th of July. They were delayed this year. Pretty good and this is directly from last night. And so, please enjoy. I'm gonna be reacting to them this whole entire time. Because they're pretty good. This isn't me filming this, I'm a little bit to the right. So we're gonna go ahead and play this. And I'll pause the video when I find chunks flying off. If I find chunks flying off. Because, basically what happened is, these fireworks started exploding and the pieces of fireworks are flying at us. See anything? I don't see anything yet, but soon after this. There's just huge pieces flying everywhere. Okay, well, I'm going to show you a part. And this thing's, look at all this. There's smoke everywhere. My god. This thing's flying everywhere. It's just very hard for me to see it. Okay. Here's a good example. Circled right there. That's a piece. That is a piece of of a firework, and they fly all over the place. Okay, just to let you guys know, that's a piece of it. There you go, flew right past the camera. Okay, hold on, let's take it back. Take it back some more time. Now more. It's coming too fast. Basically, okay. What happened is that piece that I circled on top, it flew past the camera. There are pieces flying everywhere. You just can't see them. One landed in my lap. They were all over the place, and boy, these fireworks display everywhere. Look at this. Now I'm sure you can maybe scope out some pieces somewhere. I can circle for you again if you don't quite see. Maybe I'll use the pencil this time. Right there. Why is that pink? There's a piece right there. Right there. There's another one. That's one. Yeah, so as you see, there's a lot of pieces of the fireworks that just float right out into the air. And yeah, like we can see here, there's so many pieces. Yeah, I'm sorry for just circling this, so I'm just kind of for a point. Look, there's a piece there. There's one about around there, but it's kind of behind the firework. These are flying everywhere, and you see all the smoke. Here's all the smoke that's right here. I mean, you know, things were just terribly exploding. I mean, my god. Okay? Yeah. Just seriously good. Look. It ends in a black cloud. There you go. So that's really it for this video. But, you know, there was so much smoke. It was just very gray out, and it was raining ashes. Now, I'm not talking about... I mean, you may be thinking, there's small chunks of fireworks everywhere. No. These things were like huge chunks of fireworks. They were all on everybody, ashes all over them. And, it was so foggy out there. Like, there's just a bunch of ash going through the air. Like, you couldn't even see. First of all, a piece went into my eye. A piece of it went into my eye. That hurt, okay? And it was on fire when it went into my eye at the time. There were flaming pieces of debris flying through the air, okay? Just pointing that out.